Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back at the beginning of April of this year, I let you know that Microsoft was blocking Windows 11 24H2 on devices with this driver installed, sprotect.sys. Now, as I mentioned in the video, this driver provides encryption protection and is used by specialized security software and enterprise solutions. And up until now, affected users couldn't install Windows 11 24H2. And what the problem was is that the affected devices would become unresponsive and display a blue or black screen error, according to Microsoft. And the driver can be automatically introduced into a system as part of the installation process of many different applications. And the driver is part of SenseShield Technologies software, which basically is a copyright IP protection and enterprise data security solution provider. So this is mainly most probably going to be affecting your corporations and enterprise environments, but nonetheless, just keeping you posted. And then obviously to safeguard hold the update experience, Microsoft had applied a compatibility hold on devices running this said driver. Now, just to let you know that the issue now, according to Microsoft, has been resolved, with Microsoft saying, and I'm quoting, recent versions of software that employ the relevant driver have resolved the compatibility issue. Please note many applications employ SenseShield technology, and the sprotect.sys driver is automatically installed with some applications. As a result, it may be difficult to determine which update may be necessary. If an app using the said driver, once again, loses functionality, updating it to a newer version can resolve the issue. So basically, at the end of the day, this issue has been resolved, and Microsoft says the safeguard hold has been removed as of October 15, 2025, and eligible devices without other safeguard holds can now install Windows 11 version 24H2, and Microsoft says it can take up to 48 hours after that resolution before the update is offered on your Windows update page. But as I always say, restarting your device, don't shut it down, restart your device, coming back and then seeking for updates. If you want to get your hands on 24H2 or even 25H2 now, they're both basically identical, then you can just go through this process as shown. But nice to see that that issue now has been resolved according to Microsoft over on Microsoft Docs. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.